What we're going to go over in this video is how to determine if lines are parallel. So the way you determine if lines are parallel is you have to find the slope of each one of the lines. After you find the slope of each one of them, if the slopes are the same, then those two lines are parallel. So if they give you a graph, you count, you write down the slope for each one of them, then you compare it. If those two numbers are the same, then those two lines are the same. Lines that have the same slope are parallel. So let's look at some examples. In this example right here, I need to figure out what the slope is for each one of these. I need to figure out what the slope is for line AB, and I need to figure out what the slope is for line CD. So I'm going to start counting. Doesn't matter which point I start at. I'm going to start at A, and I'm going to go down. I want to go down 1, 2, 3. So I put that number in the top of the fraction, go over 1, put that number in the bottom of the fraction, and then I'll look and see that this is going down. That's going to be a negative. I can actually divide these numbers, so I do that. 3 divided by 1, negative 3. That's the slope of this line right here. Now I need to find the slope of CD. So again, I'm going to start with this one right here. Travel to D, going up and down first. 1, 2, 3. Put 3 in the top. Over 1, 1 in the bottom. And I see that this is going down, so it's negative. Again, I'm able to divide these numbers. 3 divided by 1, negative 3. So are the lines parallel? Yes. And the reason why? They have the exact same slope. So let's look at an example where they don't have the same slope. Again, I need to find the slope of each one of these numbers. So let's start with the slope of line AB. Here's line AB. Start with A. Going to go up and down first. Going to go down 1, over 1, and since this line is going down, that's negative. Again, I can divide these. 1 divided by 1 is 1. The slope of line AB is negative 1. Let's figure out what the slope of CD is. So I'm going to start with C up here. I'm going to start counting, going down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 goes in the top. Go across. 1, 2, 3. This line's going down, so my answer is negative. I can't divide those numbers. This is actually the slope of that line right there, negative 4/3. So are the lines parallel? No, because those two numbers, those slopes for those two lines are not the same. One more example. Let's try this one. I need to find the slope of AB. Start with A, go up 1, over 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going up. Slope of 1/4. Let's find the slope on this one. Start with C, go up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up 1, over 4. It's going up. Are the lines parallel? Yes. Why? They have the exact same slope. So for lines to be parallel, they have to have the exact same slope.